So here we go. We've got the blue flashing light of death. So somewhere in the circuit we've got a break. So let's see if we can sort out which circuits it's on. So if I pull this back, you can see just behind here, if I swap the right cable with ground 2, I can see I've got a green light, so that means that the brake is somewhere on my right cable and my guideline too. So I need to find it now, and this is where I'm going to use this clever bit of kit, which is an underground cable finder. Not very expensive, got it off Amazon, some kind of strange proby type device. I'm sure I've seen one of those before, and a few clips on that, and that'll find me where the braking cable is. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this piece and connect the red light to the end. Now before you do that, you've got to make sure that the power's off. If the power's on, then it can damage the sensor, and what I'll do is I'm going to switch that onto cable scan, and we can see the power lights on there. So I don't bother with anything with the black, and then if I get the probe and switch that on, we can hear as it moves away the volume drop. So let's turn it down a bit. So basically, I'm going to swap hands. So as I start dangling this near the line, you can see it goes very loud. So we know there's a cable around here. I'm going to test it, look, move it away, no sound at all. Move it near the wire, lots of noise. Move around here. Weakening here. So I can tell something's here. It's not as strong. But it's still there. Watch out for the beehive. There it is. Found it. As quick as that. It's brilliant. So here's my brake, and got one of these little connectors, pair of pliers, and I'm going to nip this together. So I'm going to squash it together. There we go. So that's all sealed now. Should be a waterproof seal. Let's see if the light comes on now. It always happens near a beehive, but anyway. moment of truth. Let's connect the cable and see what happens. I can see it. Probably a bit difficult, but anyway, it's all connected now. There it is. There it is, all on there. And switch the light on. Switch on. And this is it. Is it green or blue? Let's have a look. It's green, which means we fixed it. Fantastic. We're a fantastic way to find breaks in your cable. Really, really quick and easy. Recommend it to anyone. Thank you.